connecting with the sun, self-expression, vitality, leadership, and inner strength. Zodiac sign, Leo. Welcome to this meditation, where we will connect with the radiant and empowering energy of the sun. The sun represents your core essence, your vitality, self-expression, and personal power. It rules over Leo, the sign of confidence, creativity, and leadership, inspiring us to shine brightly and embrace our true selves. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself settling into this moment. Imagine the warmth of the sun touching your skin, inviting you to connect with its vibrant energy. Picture yourself standing in a vast, open meadow, surrounded by golden fields of grass that sway gently in the breeze. Above you, the sun is shining brightly in a clear blue sky. Its warm rays touch your skin, filling you with a sense of vitality and joy. As you stand in this sunlight, imagine its golden energy flowing down from the sky, entering the top of your head and moving through your body. Feel this radiant energy warming your heart, filling it with confidence and love. It moves down through your arms, empowering your ability to create and express yourself. It travels to your core, igniting your inner strength and sense of purpose. Visualize this solar energy expanding outward, creating a golden glow around your body. You feel vibrant, powerful, and alive. The sun's energy encourages you to embrace your uniqueness and share your light with the world. Imagine yourself stepping forward with confidence, knowing that you are capable of leading and inspiring others through your authenticity. As the sun's energy continues to empower and uplift you, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I shine my light brightly and confidently. I am full of vitality, energy, and joy. I embrace my creativity and express my true self. I lead with courage and inspire others through my authenticity. The sun's energy fills me with warmth, strength, and purpose. Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, strengthening your connection to the sun's powerful energy. Take a moment to bask in the golden glow of the sun's energy. Feel gratitude for the light, vitality, and courage it has brought into your life during this meditation. Know that this radiant energy is always within you, ready to guide and empower you whenever you need it. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Carry the warmth and confidence of the sun with you as you move through your day, shining your light brightly for all to see. With love and gratitude. Chenzo Holistic Coaching.